Hello, welcome back in our online classes. Good morning to all of you. And in this online classes, and today it's a new video. In the last video, we have done writing skill in that long composition article writing. And today in class 12 English, today we are going to deal with the short composition that is advertisement. Okay, so we have already studied advertisement in our previous classes. So in class 12, it comes in the short compositions, not in long compositions. So the mark is approximately till last year was 4 marks. So it may vary because of the pandemic, as the pattern of the question paper may change, but it comes under short composition advertisement. Okay, my dear children. So what is an advertisement? Day to day, all of you are very much familiar with what is actually advertisement. Okay, we all see advertisement on TV, we see advertisement in our newspaper, in other medium, in everything. So what is advertisement? Advertisement is actually a tool for promoting, or rather we can call it as the strongest tool for promoting a product or service. Means advertisement is actually the main purpose is promotion of a product or a service. Okay, my dear children, and we can call it is rather defined or rather designed in such a way so that it can attract the attention of a target people. Like if it is an advertisement of a we can call a shampoo for women, then it is the target is women only in that particular advertisement. If that particular advertisement is of LED or smartphone, then the target audience will be like that, and the designing of an advertisement is like that. Okay, my dear children, so it's one of the powerful tool of promotion of any product. So in today's world, as you all aware, what are the different mediums? Like in today's world, advertisement can be sent in a public domain through the electronic media, as we all know, and through the print media also. It's not only electronic media, through print media, and usually the drafting ones are actually published in papers. Okay, newspapers, magazines, and journals or periodicals. So today we are going to learn about advertisement, and there are 2 types of advertisement. You already know about these things. You have seen it literally, the practical form in the things also on the newspaper, but you are actually not aware. So now next time when you visualize the newspapers, you should always be aware, because for examination we have to draft it on our answer sheets. Okay, my dear children. So advertisement is of 2 types. Number 1 is a classified advertisement, and number 2 is a display or commercial advertisement. Okay, what is a classified advertisement? Now there are different categories of these advertisement. Okay, my dear children, so as you are you are class 12 students, so I hope that you people are in habit of going through the newspaper. In that newspaper, if you actually go through, then on particular day in a week, this classified advertisement usually appear in the newspaper. Okay, and there is a separate newspaper for that classified advertisement. Now what is the classified advertisement? What all category comes under classified advertisement? What are the features of classified advertisement? We are going to study today, and same as further we are going to study for display or commercial advertisement. So I hope you are okay with what is advertisement, and there are 2 types of advertisement, classified and display. So classified and display display advertisement both appear in the newspaper, but it has a different format and it has a different features too, and it has a different category also. So we are first dealing with a classified type of advertisement. Okay, my dear children, so what all category comes in classified, we will be dealing first. So first one will be classified. Number one, we are going to study classified advertisement, and in that, number one, we are going to study about category. So what all category comes under this advertisement? For example, I just want to give you an example before moving towards the category, that in your newspaper, to just look whenever the newspaper comes, especially if in Jaipur it's talk about, then you just look into Dainik Bhaskar, which is a very common newspaper in Jaipur, and you can just see on Sunday there is a page called as classified, and this type, then your newspaper is going to appear like this type, and there are certain blocks like this. Okay, very compact rectangular boxes, and such certain headings will be there inside the boxes, and few lines are written like this, and this is actually your classified advertisement newspaper, or the paper of classified appears. Okay, my dear children, so this is a small idea I'm going to give, I have given you. You just can have a look in your newspapers. So classified columns are like this. They are actually enclosed inside a rectangular boxes. So what all category comes under classified advertisement? Number one is situation vacant or vacancy. Any type of situation vacant. It may be a requirement of a teacher or vacancy of a teacher in a school. It can be requirement of an engineer, or it can be a vacancy of a doctor in a particular hospital. Any type of vacancy which appears comes under the category of classified advertisement. Okay, my dear children. Next category is to let. Okay, or we can call rent also. Another category is lost and found. Another category can be matrimonial. Another category can be a sale. Okay, this need not to be get confused. I am making you understand. Means to let means rent one is again come under this category of classified advertisement. Lost and found, if anything is lost, okay, then again it is going to come under this classified advertisement. Matrimonial, all types of bride wanted, bridegroom wanted, such type of headings also comes under this classified advertisement. Okay, sale, need not to get confused. Actually, the second one which we are going to deal, that is the display advertisement or commercial advertisement, is actually related with the sale only. But if it or that a particular advertisement, for example, suppose you want to sell a house and it's about a one single house, and you are actually making it appear in a classified column, and it fulfill the features of classified, then this sale of house can come under classified also, as well as for display also. Okay, my dear one, display has different feature and classified has different feature. If it is enclosed inside a rectangular box, it is the word limit is 50 word, and no display of anything is there, then it will come under the classified advertisement of sale of a property also. So need not to get confused. If the characteristic is similar to of classified, then it will be counted under classified, and similarly the sale or things can be come under display advertisement also. Another one is sad demise or obituary note, also comes under classified advertisement. Okay, sad demise or obituary one that is also under classified advertisement. So I hope you understand, etc. Other categories can also come where no commercial or profit value is actually related. That type is called as classified categories, or promotional value is less. So situation vacant, vacancy 1, all type of vacancy, to let, rent 1, lost and found, matrimonials, sale and sad demise or obituary, all are the categories which actually fall under the classified advertisement. Okay, now the what are the characteristic or important feature of characters of this classified advertisement? Okay, let's move on to the characters of these classified advertisements. So characters, what you need to keep in mind. Number 1, it is brief. These advertisements, that is classified advertisements, are brief. Okay, very brief. Secondly, occupies less space. Okay, my dear children, as I told you, it is enclosed inside a small box, rectangular box. When we will go to the format, you will come to know. So the second one is occupies less space. Third one is economical. Fourth one is simple and concise language. It means only words and phrases to be used. Okay, no need of complete sentences. Okay, my dear one, articles and conjunctions rarely used. Prepositions usually avoided. And the 8th point I'm writing over here is contact number or address or both. So I will explain you one by one. The word limit of this classified advertisement, as advertisement falls under the category of short composition in our writing skill, my dear children, it is very brief. It should be of 50 words, okay, not more than 50 words, and it occupies less space. As it occupies less space in the printed newspaper or while publishing, it is economical, means it is affordable. The price or the cost of these classified advertisement is also less in comparison to display or commercial advertisements. Now, so it is economical, it means it is affordable. Next is simple and concise language. No hi-fi language needs to be used in this advertisement, because if you are using more, we can call expression one languages, a high vocabulary, you may not able to convey what you want to convey, and it may confuse the customer or the readers. So need not to use any hi-fi or little bit or higher languages. It's simple and concise language is going to work in this classified advertisement. And rather, instead of writing complete sentences, or rather, as in note making we never write, in note making we never write complete sentences. Similarly, in advertisement we never like complete sentences, only word and phrases to be used. Means you can write your things by applying the commas or punctuation mark. Articles and conjunctions are very rarely used, and same as prepositions are to be avoided, as these all things are used while we frame out dignified sentences. So we try to avoid all those things, as we are not making any or framing out a complete sentence, because we are using its only words and phrases. And the last thing is contact number or address. Need not to get confused. Contact number or address can be given in the classified advertisement, or even both can be given. If one is also written, then also it is correct. Then also your classified advertisement is correct. So I hope here you understood what all are the characters of a classified advertisement. Now we are going to deal with the format of classified advertisement. Okay, my dear children, so the format is very simple. You have to first of all draw a rectangular box. Okay, my dear children, what you have to do, you have to actually first of all, now we are going to deal with format of classifying advertisement. Okay, so you have to draw a rectangular box like this while drafting a classified advertisement. Okay, my dear children, and you have to give a heading. Heading should be in the center like this if it is a vacancy, and it should be duly underlined. If it is vacancy, you can call it as, you can name it like that. If it is sale, you can actually name it as a sale. If it is rent, you can either write it rent or to let. Okay, like this, there should be a heading of classified advertisement. Then leave one line and start writing your advertisement from here. We will do one sample also like this. Within 3 or 4 lines, we should always keep in mind the word limit is 50 words. Okay, my dear children, so you should always keep this thing in mind, that within 50 words we have to conclude it. And after concluding means all the important features you have to write over here, and then write contact number and address. If you suppose you are completing your advertisement here, need not to write contact number, need not to get confused with this thing. It's very clear. Draw a rectangular box, give the heading whatever is there according to the question, write the advertisement, and then contact number again shift towards the left hand corner. See, it's a line in a proper way, center line. If you are leaving a few inches of gap here, you have to leave the few inches of gap from here. Otherwise, you can just adhere towards the boundary of that particular box also, there is no problem. So if you are, there should be a proper alignment. So if you are finishing, suppose here you are writing your sentence or whatever you are writing finishes here about the content portion, then contact number can be given in this way and address can be given in this way. Okay, my dear children, need not to actually write the contact here only. You write contact number, you write mobile number, and then this mobile number comes here in the below side or in the next sentence. It really shows or actually gives a bad look to the examiner while checking, and rather the alignment also becomes wrong. So it's better that after giving the heading, leave one line, finish your content within 3 to 4 lines, and wherever you do not start your contact number from there. Wherever your content is ending, just don't leave any line. You may leave a line, there is no problem, because there is no issue in that format. You can leave the line, you may not leave the line, but write the contact here in front there and address like this in a proper straight alignment, leaving the few inches from this left boundary and right hand boundary also. Okay, my dear children, so this is a format of classified advertisement. The title or heading should never be written outside. It is always inside the box. That thing you have to remember. It is very easy to write. We will do one sample. Okay, let's do one sample of classified advertisement. Let's see what we can do. For example, there is a vacancy of a maths teacher. You can imagine there is a vacancy of a maths teacher in your school or in any school. Then how you are going to draft a classified advertisement for it. So one sample we are going to do it. Sample of classified advertisement. So first of all, you are going to draw a box, rectangular box like this. Okay, my dear children. Then I told you that it is what is the question? A vacancy of a maths teacher or anything like that. So the heading can be situation vacant or vacancy. So right in the center. The heading should be in the center and inside the box. Like this, underline it. Okay, like this and underline this thing. Okay, now you have to write the content. Now you will be confused, madam, what we can write. So my dear children, it is very simple general knowledge. You should be updated that what all features can be written. For example, it is a vacancy of a maths teacher, so you can write the school name, that is directly like NK Public School requires PGT Maths, okay, comma, PGT Maths, minimum 5 years experience, minimum 5 years experience, salary as per government norms, okay, submit resume before 7 whatever date. This actually makes your advertisement complete. How? It's NK Public School requires PGT Maths, means a postgraduate teacher in mathematics. So it's very clear, when the school requires postgraduate teacher in mathematics, it means the required qualification of post-graduation in the relevant subject and plus B.Ed, which is a compulsion for a teacher, is there. So need not to write the degree, that this degree we want, as you have already told the designation of a teacher. This designation requires that particular degree. It's very, very clear. Okay, my dear children. So experience, you have written minimum 5 years experience, salary as per government norms, submit resume before this and this. Okay, now here I have, because due as my board is little bit it's not spacious, so I have written minimum 5 experience in a short form. You cannot use short forms there in your examination. Do remember it. As my board is not so spacious, so I have not written in full form, but need not to, or rather you as a student are not allowed to use short form in any kind of writing skill else than in note making. Okay, my dear children, this should be clear in your mind. So after here, before you can give, like we can give the date, imagination date or imaginary date, like 7th Jan 2000 or 20 or 21, whatever. Here if you are applying full stop, then contact principal, or instead of principal, office also can be written, then mobile number, okay, so and even the address can be written. In many of your refreshers, you may find that here only they start contact number and they continue till here. See, I already told you this is a wrong alignment, need not to practice it. Once you finish over here, start from that left hand corner only. So in minimum words, you need to complete your advertisement. Okay, for example, another sample we can do for lost and found, like your bag or briefcase is lost. So again, we can draw a rectangular box. We can give the heading lost, and we can start like this: VIP briefcase, brown, medium, containing documents, lost, near, or on, whatever you want to write. The place, this is the place where you lost it. Connaught Place, Sunita Market, Dobatti, Ajmeri Gate, where you lost it, you need to write it. Okay? Reward is there, or like that you can write down that reward or highly reward is there for the finder one, or those who can find it out. Like this you can draft. But see, what basic features I want to tell you about it. What is lost can be easily make out by reading this. VIP briefcase has been lost. Was of brown color. It was of medium size. What it was containing? It was containing documents, and where it was lost, here place. Apart from this, you can write the date also. This is also very essential. It is lost which place, on which day, is reward is there. Usually you can see while drafting such advertisement, you can write these type of lines also, and then contact number, okay, and address. This can be written over here. So what I want to convey you is writing such type of advertisement for classified like lost thing. Just keep the things in your mind. Now I think after doing 2 samples, you are much aware that what all things we need to write. What all things means basic and very, very important features need to be written down. Like lost, it is what is lost, briefcase is lost, of which company, brand is there, color is there, size is there, what was there, when it was lost, and where it was lost. Need to be mentioned so that who has actually got it can easily relate to it. So these type of things are essential. One more sample we can do for sale. I told you that sale of, suppose you are selling your one flat is there, and you want to, and you means for selling one flat, it's not necessary that you are going to draft a commercial advertisement or display. It is just one flat. So it is economical for a middle class man to actually make it publish here in which category and classified, because it is affordable, it is economical, and moreover it is not for promotion also, because apart from sale, that display advertisement contains the value of promotion also. So for sample, another sample can be sale of a property, or rather you can call it as a sale also. So what all features you are going to write for a flat? First of all, you will write which type of flat it is. It is 2 BHK or 3 BHK. That needs to be mentioned. 3 BHK, okay, plus attached toilet, okay, modular kitchen located in Lajpat Nagar, so and so, means local area. near so garden, near such hospital needs to be mentioned. Okay, 24/7 water and electricity supply, car parking, so and so on. There can be n number of things, but essential things you need to write. First of all, what type of flat is there or what type of house. If it is an independent house, you can write independent house, garden facing with full facility, full ventilation, 2 car parking available, and 24/7 water and electricity supply, and else. Simple. It's all the necessary details should be written. So after writing over here, finishing off, write your contact number like this, and address too can be written. Writing one is also correct, writing both is also correct, but not writing this, you are going to lose the marks in format. So I hope children you are able to understand what is classified advertisement. Okay, so now we are moving towards our, you are very much comfortable with this type of. So we were continuing with our display advertisement. It can be of any size and color. It contains different type of display like illustration, paintings, and it can be of means it occupies more space. Font size made. It is actually designed to be very, very attractive. Hence, the cost value. The very important feature is the cost value depends upon the display. It depends how large and how big is the display, hence you have to pay accordingly to the print media. Understood, my children? So this is the characteristics of display, means more liberal everything, hence money will be also, it's more costly in display. So big companies, big builder, or you can call the builders who are involved in building the malls and like that, or apartments, they actually focus towards this display or commercial advertisement. Now one of the sample, as you already know, the features include in this characters only, less amount of things are written and more displays there through your drawings and your sketches. So for example, if you are going to draw, if you want to draw, for example, there is an annual clearance sale of Videocon washing machine. Now draft a display advertisement for it. So how you are going to draft? First of all, again, whether it is classified or it is a display, you have to actually make a long rectangular box. It can be horizontal and vertical in case of your display advertisement. You need to matter. So we are doing the sample for display, and the question is annual clearance sale for Videocon washing machine. So what all things can be there? Like it is an annual clearance sale. It can be written over here, or rather sale can be highlighted. Now it is for washing machine, so you can actually draw. I'm not such a good means in that term of drawing and all. So washing machine can be actually drawn. Okay, features can be here noted down in very brief points. Okay, what are the features of these washing machine, and where it is available should also be mentioned. Like you can add the line visit us at so and so, means address. This is very important, and contact number. In commercial advertisement, where the customer is going to come, so it's very common sense. Address and contact numbers both should be there. For we can call for a classified either contact number or address. but contact number is essential. But here both is very essential. So this is a sample for an annual clearance sale. You can draft it in a more creative manner, just like a poster display advertisement works on. But definitely after looking to your advertisement, if it is for a Hero Honda, or if a new a mobile company has launched a new mobile, so how and where the customer is going to approach you, you should actually put it their address and contact. If you are not putting there, it means you are not writing there while drafting in your examination, or in rather in your answer sheet, then you are going to lose the mark in the format and in the content as well. And once a number is reduced in content, you are ultimately going to get reduction in expressions also. So this is very you should keep this thing in mind, in your mind whenever there is a bifurcations in evaluation for content and expression. If the content number is less, then expression number will automatically be reduced. Okay, my dear children, so you can be creative just like in posters in this. So for its mobile company, you can just draw the different types of mobile, you can write very different features. It just not should appear like a messy one. It should be very clean, neat diagram, so that it should appear like an ad, and it should be attractive. Okay, here also you can use the colors or sketch pen while actually drawing this or drafting this display advertisement. So here we come to an end of our advertisement. Before ending our video, I would just like to give you some home assignment, so that just two I will give you for your practice at your home, so that you can practice and you can be perfect in all these things. Okay, my dear children, so number one is write it down in your copies. You have a 3-bedroom flat. You have a 3 BHK flat in Dwarka. You want to let out. You want to let out on rent. Draft an advertisement. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India. Now see, you have a 3 BHK flat in Dwarka. You want to let out on rent, means it is you are putting your flat on rent. So let out can be to let can be the heading, rent can be the heading, to let will be the appropriate heading. Now you have to draft an advertisement. It is not clearly written. Which advertisement? Very clear from the topic. It is a classified advertisement, and then to be published in Times of India. If the contact number, here I am going to give you contact number. If the contact number is not given or the name is not given, imaginary, you have to write it. But you have to complete the format. So contact number is, in the question it is given, it is 2758902 whatever XX. So here it is given. If it is not given, even though to fulfill the format you have to write it imaginary number and contact number and address. The next question is Venus India is launching a new perfume. Design an advertisement for its promotion. Okay, my dear children. So, this question, very simple. Venus India is launching a new perfume. Designed by for its promotion. It is for promotion, means it is a commercial advertisement. So, you have to draw. So, wherever there is a product, you have to draw the product and write down its features. So, these are two simple home assignments. I hope you are able to do it. So, till we meet in our next class, from my side, take care of yourself and bye-bye.